Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Spot Me money on Chime. Spot Me is a feature offered by Chime that allows you to overdraft your account up to a certain amount without incurring any fees. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Spot Me money on Chime. First, you need to be eligible for Spot Me. To be eligible, you need to have a Chime checking account and receive a direct deposit of at least $200 or more every 45 days. Once you are eligible, you can enroll in Spot Me through the Chime mobile app. To enroll in Spot Me, open the Chime mobile app and navigate to the Settings section. Scroll down to the Spot Me section and toggle the switch to the right to enroll. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of Spot Me. Once you have enrolled in Spot Me, you can use the feature whenever you need to overdraft your account. When you make a purchase or withdrawal that exceeds your account balance, Chime will automatically spot you the difference up to your Spot Me limit. For example, if you have a Spot Me limit of $100 and you try to make a purchase of $120, Chime will cover the $20 overdraft and you will not be charged any fees. You can then repay the Spot Me amount by making a deposit into your Chime account. It is important to note that your Spot Me limit will be determined by Chime based on your account history and other factors. You can check your Spot Me limit at any time through the Chime mobile app. It is also important to use Spot Me responsibly and only when necessary, as it is meant to be a safety net and not a regular source of credit. In conclusion, using Spot Me money on Chime is a simple and convenient way to avoid overdraft fees and stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and using Spot Me responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of this feature and take control of your financial well-being.